Hello. In this video, I'm going to reconstruct my 608 PB average of 5 that I got earlier today. So to follow along, just scramble the key with WCA orientation. Even though I did not scramble it that way when doing the actual session, I'm color neutral, so it doesn't matter to me, but just scramble it like this and then follow along with what I do in this video. So the cross color I'll be solving on for these demonstrations may not be the same that I did in real life, but it doesn't matter to me because I'm color neutral. Okay, solve number 1. So red cross. And I noticed that this pair will be a preserved pair right here, so after I do the cross. So that. And then, actually no, I saw this pair first. And then I did this one. And then I did this one. Solve number 2, red cross. And I found this as my first pair. So you would think I would just insert this pair next, but I actually did insert this pair, but I didn't do this to insert the pair. I actually did this. So I think what my thought process was I literally didn't even notice that I was solving this pair. I thought I was solving this pair, and it just so happened to solve this pair as well. So, and then finally this pair. Solve 3. White cross is extremely easy, and also there's 2 pre-made F2L pairs once you finish the cross. So I figured out that to solve this pair, instead of just inserting the pair, to not break up this pair, I did insert it like this instead, and then inserted this pair, and then I saw this one, and then we have this F2L pair, and you can pretty easily solve the edges if you go like this. But what I did instead is just the normal algorithm that doesn't preserve the edges. So, but luckily I got a good OLL. Scramble number 4, I did green cross. So I started solving the cross like this, and instead of doing a D2, I have this pair here. So I took out the pair, D2, then put back the pair. And then I think I planned this pair in inspection. So I did that instead of the 3-move insert. I did this pair because I planned it in inspection. And then I did this as a keyhole insert. I could have just done that to do the keyhole, but instead I rotated and did it like this. And then I rotated and did this pair. And then I had a giant lockup on the easiest OLL in existence. So I was like this and then locked up for like a whole second and then finished it and then got this. Of course, it could have been a sub 6 average of 5 if I didn't mess that up. Okay, so this is scramble number 5, and amazingly, I was able to see a double X cross here on white. So the way that you see this X cross is think about just doing the cross normally, but notice how pieces are going to get connected. So when you do the cross, you'll notice that this corner will get attached to this edge, and this edge will end up right here. So that means that you can solve this corner and you can solve this edge to make a double X cross. So first solve this edge, and then solve this edge, and then solve this edge, but instead of doing R2, you do R prime, U2, R prime to solve the corner, and then you solve this edge by doing this. Now, funnily enough, I could have done a triple X cross if I inserted this corner, but I didn't see that, so instead what I did was just do that to solve the pair, and then I ended up with a 3-move insert here.